Hello, this is a tutorial on what the dashboard looks like in Go Math. If we see here, we have the Interactive Student Edition book. If we click on here, we will get the Interactive Student Edition book, which we will have a further tutorial on later in another video. We also have the student book, which is what the students have with them at all times. The hard copy is also a digital copy. We'll have a tutorial also on that later on. Along with student resources here. We'll have another tutorial later on about it. But this is where you can access all the resources that the kids can access and have better understanding and more help when they have trouble with their homework. The My Notebook, none of the teachers here use, but if you want a video later on, let us know and we can make a video on how to use it. If we come down here into assignments, we can see that there's 2 assignments that are assigned to this student right now. This student has a Module 1 Numbers Ready post-test and a 1.1 Rational and Integer Numbers homework. If we see, it tells us what class we are in. We made a test class, that's why it says test class, and it tells us what the name of the worksheet or assignment is. If we click details, it lets us know, is this homework or test timed? Can it be paused? Can we view the assignment later? And will it be scored? If there's any notes, they'll be in here as well. To start the assignment, we will hit start, but we will have a tutorial later to show that. After you finish a homework assignment or a test score, we will have a progress report over in the top left. This just has a running tally of everything that's been done in the class that's been graded. As you can see, if you click on it, we can view it later, and we will have a tutorial on how to view and look at test scores and homework scores later on.